Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we will study the chapter Metacognition, a kind of spiritual intelligence that empowers the transcendence of mind. Cognition means acquiring knowledge and information for learning and creating wisdom. And metacognition is the ability to think beyond cognition, or cognition about cognition, and or thinking about thinking, and knowing about knowing. Awareness about awareness. In other words, metacognition means knowing about the mysteries of the mind and how it acquires awareness, consciousness and thinking. Such a skill is the higher order thinking and the acquired and used to reach the level of transcendental genius level of consciousness. Understanding and knowing about all these mechanisms of the mind could benefit individuals and societies to acquire out-of-the-box thinking. Such a mind could take societies and civilizations out beyond the boundaries of ignorance. The term metacognition was first coined by American psychologist John H. Flowell, who defined the concept as the knowledge about functioning of cognition and to take control of the cognitive process in the human brain. Metacognitive theory indicates that we can change our attitude and behaviors by giving a higher frequency of positive thoughts to our mind and body, usually by sticking to the self-help and positive psychology. This improves the frequency of positive thoughts, which ultimately impacts greatly our overall mental well-being, success and ultimate happiness. This is because the brain gets more growth with positive and optimistic thoughts, rather than harboring judgment against things and people with the negative point of view. For example, if using less fuel and electricity will reduce the gas and electricity bills, it will also save the planet from being more polluted with the heat and gases. Similarly, quitting smoking will save our health, money, and also protect others from getting negatively impacted by passive smoking. On the other hand, it will protect our environment and planet. The global artwork is one of the best types of metacognitive training and knowledge. Our mind proceeds from the artifact of global art, music and literature. By training our mind with the metacognitive abilities, we can bring back the wandering minds to more worthwhile tasks rather than using our mental capacities in non-productive and worthless ways. Applying metacognitive strategies in schools and developing metacognitive abilities in young students will enable them to learn more and have clarity in thinking.